You want to stand right in front of me,
All right.
okay? So, what you're going to hear, let's go to something a little more pleasant to the ears to start. All right, here we go. So you should be hearing
Yeah.
this.
Yeah.
All right? Now,
You'll notice we don't hear anything.
from Mark's position, he's outside of the cameras are right now tracking your face and finding your ears. So I'm going to have you now switch with Mark. I want to see what the difference is now. So go ahead and switch positions. Mark's ear, he should be able to hear this content as if he was standing in front of it. And Valerie, from your side, is drastically different. I love the Now, granted, we're not in the most ideal scenario, right? We're in a conference room, it's loud, people are drinking, having fun. So this is a little unorthodox, but the reality is, you can hear this, for those that's tracking the ears, clear as day, where people on the outskirts, virtually, it's undetectable for them. So you go back to that use case, the conference call user, hours in the day, talking to someone. I work out of my garage, unfortunately. I can only imagine the people that are on the street walking past my house going, who is he talking to? This type of product does away with that. They still have to hear me, but they don't have to hear the person on the other end. The gamer now can enjoy playing a game, so if mom and dad are yelling for them to come to dinner, they'll still hear it. Where current situation with earheads or earphones, they completely block out all sound. This allows you to still be somewhat interacting with people. So that's where this comes into play. But listen, this product itself, it's up there in price. MSRP is $799, so it's up there. But we feel that price tag warrants what it can do. Between the technology, the camera tracking, the smart functionality of it. So we have built-in Alexa, which is going to help drive a lot of smart home adoption as well. And then we're looking at probably the end of Q1 of 2022 for availability. So we have contracts on the table with Canada and the US market, and we're hoping to bring it to market by Q2 this year.